Greetings from the village. I'm here with the stone oven construction video. This video is sped up, otherwise I would still be mixing mortar. I started from the basics. Basics don't happen with just words. I filled it with stones as if I were sealing a treasure. I surrounded it with parquet lumber so the mortar wouldn't escape to keep it in place. What should I do on top? Plenty of mortar, cement, sand, mix it all, whatever God has given. One side is the oven, one side is the counter, one side is the storage, so everything stays there. I stack the bricks like Lego, but no one disrupts it. I put iron in his back. You know how they say a man full of substance? That's exactly how it was. We got to the counter part. I put chipboard underneath scrap iron. I mean, it's not a table, it's a tank track for goodness sake. We moved to the dome. I cut a half circle from foam. By the way, it's not a pastry, I made a mold. Spread mortar on top, place, adjust. I used Kalakim. Thankfully, it allows a bit of adjustment. It doesn't turn to stone immediately. I made the soil a bit out of the oven. Step on it starts narrow, retains heat, then widens. There's a chimney in between, so the smoke knows where to go. Right? I lit the first fire. Let's not scare the oven with small steps. I saw there was no problem. Insulation is important. A layer of shamot on the back, a layer of fiberglass. I wrapped wire around it. It's like I'm packaging it with an oven. I covered it with mortar, gave it a pattern. It looks like a turtle's back. A turtle moves slowly but retains heat well. I attached a stovepipe to the chimney. The longer, the wider, the better the draft. Like a physics lesson. I attached a thermometer to its back. We need to know how many degrees. You can't just guess these things. I made a cover, cut the hair, attached the hinge, added a lock. It's not a cover, it's a bank vault. I covered the surroundings with mortar. There are no gaps left. I plastered everywhere, top and bottom. It's hot dust, but it was worth it. The oven is finished. First trial, beef head. The result is like Turkish delight. In short, the oven is done. The village kitchen won. We ate, enjoy.